We all know hair is made of protein, and any chemical process to the hair will damage the protein in the outer cuticle layer. So that's why dyeing your hair is more delicate than undyed hair, okay? Make sure you don't brush or comb it too harshly to avoid breakage. Also, keep heating tools minimal on your own real hair or your wet hair. Using heat on your colored weave or your hair will cause color to fade away. So yeah, it will also dry out the hair, yes, leaving the texture very rough and tips dry. So we all don't like that. So after washing your weave or your weft, let it air dry to protect from heat damage. And of course, after dyeing your hair, color treated shampoo and conditioner are excellent example. I use this ORS shampoo excuse me, and ORS mayonnaise conditioner to this hair. It's excellent. These conditioner are excellent for keeping your newly colored hair looking vibrant and shiny for longer lasting. There are a lot of good shampoos and conditioner out there. I mean, on YouTube, it's everywhere. There are so many few good brands out there like Nexus, Red Cane, Dove, Tresemme, Organic Root Stimulator, shampoo and conditioner. I'm using their shampoo and hair mayonnaise. I mean, this is the best deal for this particular hair. You will love it, yeah. And make sure to choose a hydrating and moisture rich shampoo and conditioner to deep condition or shampoo your real hair or your weave or your weft. And yeah, you can also deep condition your hair to help hydrate the hair every week. I do it once in a week. Yeah, instead of shampooing, I normally condition my hair most of the time. Yeah, so that is it. I love to condition my hair a lot every week. At least every week I have to condition my own real hair, or if I have weave on my head, I also condition my weave once in a week. I treat my weave just like treating my own hair. It's very important to love your weave and treat it just like yours, you know. So it's yours, of course it's on your head. So what you have to do is to give it a TLC, the same way you treat your hair. Treat your weave or your sewings or whatever on your head like you, as royal as you are, you know. Yeah, but if I have box braids on my head, I normally don't wash my box braid, because the more you wash your hair underneath, you are going to get a lot of breakage and your hair is going to stink. Yes, your hair is going to stink and stink and stink. So stop that. I've seen a lot of YouTubers when they have sewings, they wash their hair and the residue from the shampoo and conditioner sticks under the braids, and oh my god. Yeah, I've seen them washing the hair thinking that it's really clean and all that, but my god, no, it's not. Your hair is going to stink. Like seriously, I wonder why people do that. Like, no, it's a big no-no. It's a big no-no. Well, if you're the type you keep your weave in for more than 2 months, my god, I can never ever I've never done that in my life before. So I don't know how this is. Like, I normally keep my hair only to 2 to 3 weeks. I'm done. I'm really done. So yeah, I don't do that because I hate stinking hair. Like, I don't want my braids or my pattern under my weave or my wig to start stinking. No, stop doing that, and stop keeping your weave in your hair for many months. At least 2 to 3 weeks, it's enough. Not 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. My god, no way. If you do that, you're going to your hair is going to start breaking. So this is it. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. Love you.